Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Charo, and this is a general reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of May till the 1st of June. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your reading. And want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my course. Link is in the description box for the same. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course too. And for personal reading and healing sessions, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partners, please don't let the camera fall. I'm begging you guys. It takes a lot of time to adjust the camera. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have, honey. Libra. We have the Six of Swords. So someone here is trying to move on towards calmer water or find a peaceful solution to a problem, whatever you guys are facing in the situation, but distancing themselves from the situation for the time being. This is what they're feeling. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here. Okay, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Lovers, and the Three of Pentacles. Wow. There's a third party kind of a dynamic here. There's a choice between you and somebody else, and or there's a choice between you and themselves. The third party dynamic can be their money, job, career situation. They have to go somewhere else. They have to shift somewhere else for their career growth or for their business or something like that. And or they definitely have a choice between you and them. Although they are trying to fix the situation between you and them, but at the same time they feel like they should keep the distance until unless they're 1000% sure that this is the right course of action or this is the right decision. They feel like keeping moving ahead. Although I don't see this person feels like they should be single. This person feels like they should be with someone, but they are not able to understand what that someone is, who that someone is. It's you or the other person, or it's you versus them, choosing themselves or their career, whatever is applicable. Take it how it resonates with you, honey. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Ace of Wands. So from your side, you feel like having a brand new beginning. You still feel passionate. You still have desire or passion towards a particular situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands here. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Justice. Yeah, you're feeling left out in the cold. You are still grieving some sort of separation or breakup and some sort of heartbreak. You are trying to bring the justice back in your life by moving on towards something brand new or creating a brand new chapter in your life where you are moving on very passionately and have this energy of someday I'm going to find my happily ever after, but I have to get out of this situation first. I'm not saying that you're avoiding the healing, but you're kind of trying your best to not to go deeper into the healing because it hurts. Hmm? And according to you, right now, this is the right thing to do. But you definitely feel like having a brand new chapter opening up in your love and relationship area. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Ace of Pentacles. Their intention is definitely to have a stable and safe and secure kind of brand new beginning in their love and relationship area. Most For most of you, most probably this person is very focused on their money, job, career, financial status, or financial stability. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as their intentions for the situation. We have the Two of Swords, Six of Swords, and the Three of Wands. They are not sure where they are going, but they want to keep moving ahead in their life and want to have a better future, better opportunities, and brighter days ahead of them. So they want to get out of this not being able to understand what they should do and what they should not do. But at the same time, they want to keep moving ahead in their life and they are looking forward to have better future and brighter days. This person is 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation, not able to let you go completely, but at the same time, not able to come back towards you with full dedication, with full energy of I'm here for you. Wow. Physically, they are at a distance from you. Emotionally, they are still connected. Cords are attached. Mentally, they are trying to figure out which path is the best one for them. That's what's happening. And you are heartbroken, you are feeling left out in the cold, and you are trying to heal yourself. Little bit of avoidance from your side. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side. Today the decks are changed because of the YouTube policy. I had to change the decks. I will buy new one, and I have ordered new one. They will come to me like in 26th or 28th. So bear with me for a few days. Your intentions here, Libra. Temperance, you just want to patiently wait and heal yourself. You want to be patient with yourself. You are not able to do that. That's a different chapter. You're energetically not able to be patient with yourself, but you want to be. And you want to wait for the right time when you are going to get everything right, everything set in your life. Let's clarify the temperance here, honey. We have the Empress, the Sun, and the Knight of Cups. Yeah, you want to patiently wait for the time when you are going to meet your happily ever after kind of a deal. Until that time, you just want to be happy with yourself. You want to have growth and expansion in your individual life, and you just want to be happy, as much as happy as you can, as a person, as a soul. So yeah, that's a really good energy where you just want to be everything. You just want to have everything right in your life, very slowly but surely, and you just want to wait for that time. You don't want to be in this hustle and bustle of, oh, I want it right now, oh, this should be done right now. You want to patiently wait for that time. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation by the what we have 1st of June. We have the Eight of Cups, emotional detachment, or at least trying to move on completely. I think this is the continuation of last week's reading. This time to be continued kind of energy. What is happening, Baba? Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. We have the Death card and the King of Cups and the Four of Swords. Yeah, both of you are understanding on a deeper level that this chapter is over and you guys need to detach and let it go for sure this time. There's no more confusion, there's no more ifs and buts and conflicts, at least from your side. You are very sure this chapter is over, this journey is over between you and a particular person or energy, and you need to heal and detach yourself completely and keep moving ahead in your life. If by any chance you were living in any kind of illusion or delusion till this point of your life regarding a particular situation, you are going to get the proper answer, you are going to get the proper clarity that this is over and this game is done. Yep. Okay. For you, the guidance here is Eight of Pentacles. Please use your resources, your energy, your time very, very wisely. Choose your time, choose your energies, choose your investments very, very wisely. Wherever you are going to put your energy, efforts, and everything into, that should give you something good in result, whatever it is. Relationship, connections, friendships, your own journey towards something or someone. Don't waste your precious time and energy into something that you want is not going to give you anything good in return. This is not selfishness, this is self-love. Okay? And second thing, you are never going to get this time back ever in this lifetime at least. Yeah? This 24th of May 2025 is never going to come back again. So use your energies and resources and your logic before investing into something or someone. That's very, very important. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.